Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today I'm going to show you how to access the schoolie parents portal. So first off, you're gonna go to your browser, any browser of your choice. So in this case I'm using Chrome. You're going to the search bar and you're going to search for schoolie.co.ke. Yeah, that is it. schoolie.co.ke. And when you search, it will take you to this portal where you'll see run your entire school from one place. And then this pop-up down here will appear. This pop-up down here should appear. uh this one over here. So you click install, and then you continue to press install, and then you give it some time to install. There it is. And then if that pop-up doesn't appear, you're going to click the three dots from up there. You're going to scroll down all the way, and then you'll hit install and create shortcut, and then this pop-up will appear again, and you should click install, and you should give it some time as it installs. So this system will allow you to see all your children's records from one place. You'll be able to see their fee balances, their arrears, and everything to deal with them, and yeah, even the academic data. So you're just gonna give it some time to load. So like in this case, just waiting for it to load. Yeah, so there it has been installed on my home screen. So you're going to click the app and wait for it to work. So after doing that, you're going to now to this tab where it has been written first time find my child. You are going to enter your child's school name. Like in this case I'm using Fafa Academy, and after entering the school name, the school will appear down there. You should just click on it. Then after selecting your school, you enter your phone number that the school has. For example, you're using this test number, and then your child's admission number in that specific school. So and you just hit find my child. So you give it some time, it loads, and then your child will appear there. So you'll see your child, and if there are any other children linked to that phone number, you can be asked to uh, tick in the checkbox. Now in this case I have found my child. You just proceed to hit next, and then you enter your email. uh, you enter your email to create an account now for the child or for the children. And then you enter your password, a minimum of 6 characters, and then you hit create account and continue. Now this one should create an account for you, and it will take you directly to the portal. So yeah, and I advise you to save your password. Now immediately after creating an account, it will take you to the portal, and that is when you will see the child's details, like for example the name, the admission number, the class, if there are any pending assignments, any pending multiple choice questions, the average grade of your child, and the fee balance of the child, and also the grade performance down there in a chart, spider chart. So when you click the hamburger menu, you'll see the dashboard. That is where we were, the dashboard. And then the assignments tab. When a teacher creates an assignment for your class or for your child, you'll be able to see them over here, and the child can be able to download them or even work on them. We have the multiple choice questions. When a teacher as well creates an multiple choice questions, you'll be able to find them over here, and you'll be able to do them in the given time frame. We have grades. This is where you'll see your child's grade, the performance over the exams, and you can also export it in PDF format. We have the exams tab, when a teacher releases an exam or when a school releases an exam, you'll be able to see the exams details over here, your child performance and everything. We have the fee and payments. Now here is when you will be seeing the receipts and the payment history of your child. Even when they move from one class to another, you'll be able to see the payments recorded over here. Especially over here, I'll log into another tab with children and I'll show you guys. For attendance or the register is where you will see how your child has attended classes and how they have attended school. Now wherever they haven't attended a class, it will be marked with X. For notifications, now when something is created, you'll be able to receive notifications or you'll be able to receive email notifications as well. In the archive section, when your child moves from one class to another, that is for example from grade 1 to grade 2, you'll be able to see all their details here, maybe their performance, maybe their closing grade, maybe their closing balance, like everything within the time they were in this school. And also you can link another child, you can add another child from different schools. You just search the name of the school, like for example I'm using now Test Academy. You enter the phone number of, if you think it has been registered there, and you can enter the admission number of the child over there. So, and you just hit find your child, and when your child is found, the same pop-up will appear. You can choose to create another account for them, or you can choose to use the same account. Now I'm going to show you how the portal looks like when you sign in as a parent. You just enter your email and the password you created back there, and then you wait to sign in. So you might have several children from the same school or even from different school. Like you can see in this case, you have Fafa Academy and we have Test Academy, different schools, but we are using just one account. So let us use, like for example, this child, and then from the dashboard you can be able to see their details. The fee is pending because it has not yet been set, but you'll be able to see all their details over here, the closing balance, the total payments made. And when you go to the fees tab, you can be able to see whatever you paid. So when you click on it, a pop-up should appear. Here you'll see the receipt, the payment method, who recorded that, the balance before and the balance after, all the way from the first time you started paying fees in that school, when they used the system, to the last time you paid fees, and the total balance you are left with, or the total overpayment you have. Now in grades section, let me log in to another child with grades so that you can be able to see. um Sorry, I wasn't supposed actually to log out. And for example, let us choose Mary over here. You give it some time for the details to load and you'll see everything, and you can see the performance over here in the chart, the performance in the subjects. When you go to the grades, you'll be able to see total exams they did, the average class position of the child, the grade they have, and the remarks the teachers made for them. You can also select, you can choose between terms, you can choose between different exams the school has offered. And in the exam tab, now when an exam is released, you'll be able to see them just like the way I'm seeing over here. So thank you. And when you want to switch another child, you just click over here and you select the child you want to choose, and you choose the child and you can proceed the same way. So that is it, guys. Thank you for your time. Go on, try it out, and in case you encounter any problem, just go to the website and scroll up to the most bottom part. You'll find a phone number there. You can call me and ask me any questions regarding that.